Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best RV compartment lock on the market, the Naissian RV locks for storage doors. If you're looking for reliable, secure, and easy-to-use locks for your camper, travel trailer, or storage compartments, this is the lock set you need to consider. The Naissian RV locks come in various sizes to fit different door thicknesses, but the one we're focusing on today is the 1 1/8 inch lock, which is a popular choice for many RV owners. This lock set includes 5 locks with 6 keys that are all keyed alike, meaning one key can open every lock in the pack, making life a lot simpler when you're managing multiple compartments. Before you buy, it's important to measure your locking distance, the space from the front of your door to the latch locking position, to ensure you pick the right size. This lock fits doors with a double D-hole opening of 3/4 inch diameter or less, so it's compatible with most RV compartment doors and camper storage areas. One of the standout features of this lock is the advanced security offered by its unique CNC laser-engraved key teeth patterns. Unlike traditional RV keys which typically have around 200 variations, Naissian's keys have over 3,000 unique combinations, drastically reducing the chances of key duplication and giving your belongings better protection against unauthorized access. The construction quality is impressive. The lock cylinder is made from hardened iron with a zinc alloy lock body that is finished with chrome plating. This combination offers excellent resistance against rust and corrosion, which is crucial for outdoor use where your locks will face rain and varying weather conditions. The lock also features a stainless steel rotating ball coated with lubricating grease inside the cylinder, preventing it from jamming or freezing even in cold weather. This ensures smooth turning and long-lasting functionality without frustrating lock jams. Additionally, each lock comes with a rubber gasket seal that provides waterproofing and wet resistance. This means you don't have to worry about moisture getting inside the lock core and causing it to stick or malfunction. Whether you're dealing with rain or wet environments, these locks keep working reliably. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with RV maintenance. The lock's 90-degree turn operation allows the key to be removed only in the unlocked or locked positions, adding to the security and convenience. Naissian also includes enough spare keys with your purchase, so you have backups in case of loss or damage. Having 6 keys for 5 locks means you won't be scrambling for replacements later. In summary, the Naissian RV locks for storage doors offer a combination of high security, durability, and user-friendly design. They're rust-proof, waterproof, and built to last, making them an excellent investment to secure your RV storage compartments, camper cabinets, toolboxes, and more. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want a lock that delivers dependable protection and smooth operation for your RV, the Naissian RV Compartment Lock is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.